observed the Eid al-Adha prayer. What is your message to Nigerians?
Well, our message to Nigerians is to continue praying for peace and for mutual coexistence amongst all Nigerians. And as we enter the political phase, there is a need for maturity, for forbearance, and for generosity of spirit in our political interactions. Most importantly, what binds us together supersedes whatever that divides us. The world itself is in turmoil occasioned by the war in the Middle East. The cost of living indices globally has risen. I wish to call on Nigerians to exercise patience and tolerance. Governments at all levels are poised to ameliorate the sufferings of the Nigerian people. Let there be peace in the land. And let's pray for peace not only in Borno, but in all the nooks and crannies of this country, in the Sahel zone of West Africa, and in the world at large.